we doing is opening this box. I have other toys too. So we doing is opening these. Show we doing is opening presents. Let's open this one now.
It's okay. What's that, a robot? Oh. Does it record? Videotapes you?
The scratch is never open.
It's okay.
I found one. I found a thing that opened. Oh, never mind. I have an idea.
What's that? You got a karaoke machine down there.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's try it out. Sing Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas to you. Goodbye, this one show. Now, yeah, because it's party time. Dance, everyone, dance. Dance, everyone. Okay, now let's 1 second. No, wait. SpongeBob.
SpongeBob slippers! Grandma got those for you. So cute. You got some... Did you get a rain jacket in there too? Oh. What else did you get? Did you get an iPad?
Let me show you my iPad. 1 second. Okay. First thing we're doing is I'm back. Take a closer look. Look.
Oh, pretty. What is that? Look. What is that, Dylan? Wonderland. Wonder Shop. Aww. Push it again. Cute. The Grinch. He's enjoying Christmas with us today. So is Santa. What else did you get, Dylan? Oh, crap! Oh, man. What's that, Dylan?
A car.
Is that a car? Remote control car?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
At this Grinch show, I banded Dylan. Sing Dylan! I'm staring out of the present. Wah ha ha ha! Get me! Wah ha ha ha!
Okay, don't break them. Here. What else is...
Wah ha 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 ha!
Oh, wait, hold on.
In this picture?
Oh, a normal...
So we doing is sing this big. Okay, come on, Bleep. Look at my robot. It's Bleep. You ever have this robot? It's called Bleep. That's my robot name, Bleep.
Lori.
Santa we doing is opening this box. I have other toys too.